You taking a laps? I look like a boy.
No.
Everyone's here. We're doing a white elephant before we go out. Joey didn't get the memo, so he's in PJs.
Okay.
Open it, y'all.
That's pretty good. You guys are like queens. Oh, it's so cool. That's awesome. Lucky enough to get our Christmas cards. So conceited. Oh my god, wow!
Yeah, you got it.
Great. John, let's do that one more time. Alright, one more time.
Okay, ready?
Wow! Hey, congrats on 1,000 subscribers!
Yay! Yay! Wait, do you guys want this?
Alright.
Wait! Actually, this is so cute!
Sweet.
Oh my gosh, we forgot to on that one. We forgot to.
Alright, deal.
Everyone's holding hands. Yeah.
Can I get my own?
Get the big one.
The big,
Yeah,
the
you
big
can
one's,
get-
the big
you
one's
can
my
get-
own. Oh wait,
They're two together,
this
they're two-
must be Tiff's. Silicone lobster. Oh no way! They're
Wow.
like lobster.
That's so cute.
Oh, it's in a
Oh, so cute. Mikey.
was Annie. Oh my!
Oh, that's so good. Look at that.
Yeah.
So good.
That's so.
Actually so good.
Yeah.
So if you wanted, you could like steal.
Yeah, he could have. Except, but I can't open a present then steal. Like,
How late?
That's pretty lame though. That's
Three.
good. So you
I trust my boy. We'll go for it.
I think you're gonna like it a lot. You're actually gonna like it a lot.
love your smile.
What is that?
Oh, it's a whitening kit. You're saying my teeth are yellow? It was hella professional.
Who's for?
Problem, like, you gotta establish on the same page. How do you know?
What is it? I'm so confused.
Oh my.
Oh.
Steal this for me.
Dude.
When you picked it up, I was like,
That would be fire.
Number 5.
The big one, because I know it's Joey.
What is that?
Okay, number 6.
Alright, I'm gonna steal yours.
Wow. What?
Okay, here we go again.
The fuck?
It's another guy gift.
Nice packaging.
I love it.
Jenga.
it's funny that you got it.
Yeah.
That's like take Richard.
Dun dun dun.
Right
Ooh, from MoMA.
It's like a.
Oh yeah, it's like one of those
It's a coin
things.
thing.
Yeah, it's a piggy bank. That's very on brand for you to get. I'll take you
That's the question. He's like, what are you doing?
Did it myself.
We could use this in our apartment for sure. We host so much. It's totally stop.
That's no
No.
fun. No. Okay, I'm going for this.
We can change.
Is that a carrying
Just
pouch?
That's actually hella good. So cute.
Oh wait, this is
I will be stealing. He's so pissed. And he's gonna be so
He's like,
mad.
you gave it
You don't have to buy one.
Steal your own gift.
Yes.
That's it. Oh, he just looks so happy.
Joey, can me and you talk?
Alright, moment of truth.
Here we go.
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll get your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling.